Hey guys, it's a ToGA brother here. So I'm at Dairy Queen. I have a Blizzard with me. We're gonna try this. It's the Blizzard of the month. Just to show you, it is thick. I just turned it upside down. That is their signature. They're supposed to turn it upside down for you. Okay, I'll do it again for you. One. Okay. This is the mint brownie Blizzard. In the background, you guys can hear him making some other blizzards as well. Okay? Alright guys, so upon observing this, there it looks like it's a pastel green color, okay, with some brownie bits in there. The presentation looks great. I smell the mint. It smells like a thin mint cookie, okay? Guys, this is just a regular Blizzard cup. This is a medium size, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this. Okay? Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Definitely a lot of mint. I also taste a little bit of the cookie, but it's really the brownie bits. What's great is the brownie bits, okay, with the mint. So the mint can be overpowering sometimes, and the brownie can be a little bit too sweet. So the mint kind of turns the brownie flavor a little more subtle, and the brownie takes the mint a little bit less subtle too. Okay. Great combination of flavor. As you guys guessed it, this is for St. Patrick's Day, so it's coming up in March. Actually, in 4 days, March 17th. St. Patrick's Day is also not sponsoring this review, and it's not sponsoring this franchise, okay? But yeah, guys, there you go. That's what it looks like. Okay. I'm also getting some chocolate shavings in this. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, guys, I would give this a solid. I would give this a solid 8 out of 10. Okay. If you're really great mint lovers, this would be a great one too. You guys would really enjoy this. All right. This has been the ToGA Brothers. Check out my other channels. I appreciate you guys watching. I'm with ToGA Brother Sean. I'm out.